It's Michi for Upcycle Creations. I just want to give you a quick update on the bean plans. Um, that's how tall they really are. These were the ones that I actually planted about 6 days now, and they're going really fast. I forgot to tell you on my last video that this one's right here. Those are peppers. Not hot peppers, the bell peppers. All kinds of colors of different bell peppers. And yes, you see that onion in there. That's my son. And you see the onion in there because yes, baby. Yeah, you got dinosaurs. Cool. Sorry about that. I planted the onion in there because I heard that you can regrow them, and also it's a really nice bug repellent for your plants. So those are my plants, my bee plants, and they still on their aluminum thingy. And I also want to let you guys know that well, basically I want to ask for your prayers for my grandma. For the past few days, I've been feeling like, that weird feeling that something is going to happen, but you don't know what it is, but you do, but then again, you don't. And I've been waking up every night at the same time. And I just was, it bothered me because, I didn't know who it was, but I had a feeling who it was. So, I've been feeling for the past week or so that my grandma on my dad's side is gonna die, and you just don't want to concentrate on that, so I just brushed it off, and I just said, I prayed and I just let it go. I just didn't give it much thought. I was like, I'm going crazy. It's not really gonna happen. And I just let it go like that. I usually don't get on Facebook because, on my family, there's so much drama on that Facebook you just don't know. So, but I do have a personal Facebook where it's only for my family, and I just got in there yesterday, and my aunt on my dad's side posted. She asked basically for prayers for my grandma because she was really in bad shape. She was in a coma. I've been trying to call them and they don't answer the phone. And my uncle just posted that she is in intensive care. And I hope not. I just hope that God gives her many more years to come, and that she stays with us. The thing is, I cannot go see her. I can't go see her for so many reasons, and I'm not going to go into a lot of details about that. But the thing is that there is well, my grandma was in my life since I was a little girl. She basically helped my mama raise me until I was about 5 years old or something like that. And then for some reason she came to the United States, and we were left in the island. I was left in the island alone. Because my mama didn't give a fuck about me, and my dad sure didn't. Well, I'm not going to go into that story, but I can't go see my grandma because of my dad. I don't trust my dad. And I have a 2-year-old son. I do not trust my dad. And especially I don't trust my dad around my son. So whether my grandma gets better, if she gets better, yes, that's going to give me because ain't nobody else going to be there. I could go visit her. But if anything else gets worse, I can't go visit. I can go over there and be for the funeral or even by her bedside. I can't do none of that because I don't trust my dad. And I'm not a little kid no more. I am 36 years old. And a whole lot of shit could go wrong if I go over there. And I don't think it's appropriate for me to go because my grandma is sick and she doesn't need our bullshit. But it also kills me that she might die and I can go over there because of my dumbass dad, you know. And not really because of him, because I'm really sure that if I go over there, he's not gonna say anything. But I just don't trust myself enough to be around him. I'm still hurting for what he did to me, and he doesn't understand that. And there's a lot of people that know, and they don't want to accept the fact of what happened. And I can't do it, y'all. I love my grandma, but I can't do it. So I'm going to stay here in Indiana, hoping and praying that she gets better and she gets out of that coma and she gets to go home and I get to see her under different situations. And I ask every one of you to pray for me, pray for her, and so she could come out of that coma, because we really need her. And I don't know, everybody keeps dying around me. My mama, my grandma, my mama's side, now her, my grandpa died. Everybody keeps dying, and this is getting creepy. I don't deal. I mean, death is just. I know it's a part of life, but I don't deal very good with it. Like shit. Anyways, that's my update. I'm probably not going to post any more videos for a few days. That's my son in the background playing with his toys. That's the update. That's what's going on right now. We're gonna make lunch and just wait and see what happens. Thank you for watching. Please watch all my other videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you and have a blessed Wednesday. Bye bye, y'all.